So hey everybody, this is Lenny G. I got this soup mix. Let me show you. Give me a minute. It's called Bob's Red Hill Veggie Soup Mix. High fiber, non-GMO, has no salt in it. Very good quality soup. And all you do is use it by the cup. And then you add your own broth or water and then all your veggies. So I got two different kinds of zucchini. I got some escarole, carrots, celery, onion. Shit, I threw everything in there that was just had any age onto it in the fridge. So it's just starting. I know it looks like a mess right now, but it'll cook down. And I drained most of the water out and I used organic vegetable stock. So I'm looking forward to a good hearty meal tonight. So getting tired of meats and everything like that. You know what I mean? Got to try to stay healthy at my age. Anyways, love all you guys. Ti amo. Stay in faith no matter what. For all you people struggling out there, you're not alone. Jesus is there for all of us. God bless.